At Altasciences, we have a unique approach to working with our clients. We treat our clients like colleagues and their projects as our own. It's this symbiotic win-win attitude that has created the foundation for our partnerships. With preclinical and clinical facilities in the United States and Canada, we are strategically located to support your project from lead candidate selection to clinical proof of concept and beyond. Led by a seasoned leadership team, our integrated solutions work hand in hand to ensure a rapid and smooth transition from safety testing to first-in-human trials.
You'll see that you're working directly with a senior leadership within the organization. You also see that that senior leadership is able to make changes and to adjust to the needs of the client very rapidly.
Our purpose-built preclinical facilities are located in Washington and Pennsylvania and are supported by over 300 employees. With 180 custom-designed animal rooms, including European housing, our facilities provide the capacity to conduct safety testing efficiently and in compliance with worldwide regulatory requirements. Our preclinical team has expertise in both standard and complex study designs. Our study directors average over 15 years of experience and are personable and accessible.
I am proud to lead a team of study directors that is engaged, passionate about the science, and committed to being the best partner.
Our safety assessment solutions can be customized based on your needs. Our flexible approach, coupled with our scientific expertise, ensures your milestones are met and within budget. We have experience with both rodent and non-rodent species and multiple routes of administration. With supporting capabilities under one roof, we produce quality and comprehensive data to accelerate your research. Our bioanalytical solutions are supported by a team of over 200 scientists, and our laboratories have the capacity to process over 60,000 samples a month. We have board-certified anatomic veterinary pathologists on site who work closely with your team to ensure all study objectives are met. We follow a harmonized QA approach that is employed across our organization, and quality metrics are reviewed and acted upon monthly at the executive management level. Our SEND team provides compliant datasets for studies required under SEND 3.0 and SEND 3.1. We have developed a leading animal welfare program that complies with regulatory requirements. But more than that, our program was founded on a culture of compassion, respect, and integrity.
Clients come back to work with us for a reason, because when they choose Altasciences as a partner, they know that we'll work really hard on their behalf.
At Altasciences, we believe that every partnership is personal and that shared expertise, collaboration, and cohesion drive better results. We are Altasciences.